we're talking about this rate cutting cycle and how much the Fed may cut in the first week of November and 2 days following the election. And I mentioned that I was tracking CME Fed Watch. So they look at probabilities of how much the Fed will cut its interest rate by looking at interest rate traders and their activity. And right before these numbers came out, about 68% were saying that they expected the Fed to cut by 25 basis points in November. And I just refreshed my page and it's already up to 87%. So from 68% to 87%, I mean, they're really locking in a 25 basis point cut right here. There's no zero. So there's that. No one's betting that the Fed isn't going to cut in November.
But there's an important input that you didn't take into account, and that is that you and I just predicted a 25 basis point
and they were listening
and so
said
we're moving markets here on Straight Arrow News with our predictions about what the Fed is going to do. But I just think 25 basis points makes a lot of sense. With this jobs report, which is saying to the Fed there's some volatility in the labor market. I mean, that is the big story here is we thought things weren't going so well. They were actually going moderately, not great. This is I would say, a very, very good number. So the Fed is going to be cautious. This is a very cautious group of people by nature.
Yes.
That's almost who they hire, is people who are quite cautious, who are data driven, and they're going to look very closely at their beige book. But at the end of the day, they're also trying to set a tone for the economy, as I was just saying. And 25 basis points is a gentle nudge that we're moving towards growth. Everybody loosen up a little bit, start spending, start hiring, start moving a little bit more, not too fast, but a little bit more.